Got some Amazon packages here, and I'm waiting on groceries, so let me get my day started. Let's get into this grocery haul. It's here. Oh, did I say hey to y'all today? I said I was gonna be cute, but I'm not. Well, don't say that. I am cute. I just didn't put makeup on like I said I was gonna do to try to be even cuter. How about that? Let's do this first. Okay, grocery haul. Now, juices, I needed more. Had to re-up on my lemonade. This is the lemonade with raspberry, the Simply. Also got the Tropicana Pina Colada from, is this Simply? No, it's Tropicana. I always thought that was from Simply. What? Okay. We got us some Ocean Spray Cran watermelon juice. Y'all, to ask me why I keep Country Crock in the doggone cart. I got more Country Crock. I think it's like 4 containers in there. Actually, one of them is pretty much empty, but anywho. And probably gonna do a little breakfast with some cinnamon rolls and bacon and stuff. So I got some cinnamon rolls, some Alfredo sauce, some mushrooms, some pineapples. I love these little juice cups. I love these little cups. And more A1 steak sauce. Finally got some ketchup. I kept forgetting every time I ordered these last couple of times. Some more sweet pickles. Love sweet pickles. I love this aluminum foil, the grill foil. Love that. Lettuce, of course, we make salads, but we also have a guinea pig. And more juice, orange juice, apple juice, and some dryer sheets, which I love the Bounce. The Outdoor Fresh is the one I use. Suavitel Complete. Thanks to Gina Janine on YouTube here for letting me know about this one. I love it. I order it every time I place an order. Then we have our Gain detergent, and I always get the Island Fresh. Love that one. We have some sweet and spicy barbecue sauce. Y'all, I use this for dipping sauce too. If you ever, have chicken nuggets, etc., and they don't give you enough, this is great dipping sauce. The sweet and spicy. More Louisiana hot sauce. I did get some protein granola. I thought I ordered some yogurt, but I don't see it anywhere. So I got to check my list because that's why I got the granola, okay? And I got some toaster strudels, love that for breakfast. French toast, love that for breakfast. Some peppers. Some assorted peppers. Yes, I always forget the name of those, but I guess there isn't a real name for them, like orange, yellow, red peppers. Okay, two of those. I have some chicken breast here because I really thought about making, I don't know, It's something I had in mind. I can't recall whether it was like barbecue chicken sandwiches with peppers and onions and stuff. Girl, I don't know. Some type of hokey idea I had. And of course, you know I love a little stir fry. This was in the cart. I don't remember putting it in there, but I may have had it before because I do use these. But I wasn't out or getting low, so I don't know why I spent some money I didn't need to. The Ajax detergent is what we use here, and I just re-upped on that because I had plenty, I think, left. Tomatoes, onions, chicken wings, some hickory smoked bacon, cucumber, limes. Went ahead and got a pie. I wanted the patty pie, but I guess they're not out yet. Hold on, did I see? Oh, hell no. They did pumpkin pie, but we're going to try it. It might be all right, but I didn't ask for pumpkin, okay? And I got me some crab legs, some snow crab legs. I asked for the little dungeons or whatever, and some spicy crab rolls. And that's it, which is enough. Those need to be in the freezer because you can smell them. And this is the grocery haul. There it is. Now it's time to put all this stuff up. So anyway, that's it for that, and it was fun, definitely. Over here, busy week, y'all. Sorry about no videos much on Beauty by Sweet Angel, but I'm just gonna vlog a little bit and let y'all see what's been going on around here, because it's always something. It's always something. I just don't pick up the camera, but I'm washing, I am cleaning up, I am editing a vlog pieces I've had for a few weeks here, so I'm just putting it all together, and you'll see that over there on Keeping It Cute. For the most part, if it's just me, if hubby's in there, then I'll pop in on Behind the Scenes so you know how that goes. Okay, so anyway, this is it, and I'll see y'all when I see ya.